Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all guys in this very important session. What we have planned for you based on trigonometry part 3. As you know, we have already done 2 parts of trigonometry. This is the third part in the succession. All of you are highly welcomed. Please do join, and once you join, do not forget to share the session as well with your friends. Don't forget to even share the session with your friends as well. You all are highly welcomed over the platform, guys. So come on, do join. Today's trigonometry part 3. Today's trigonometry part 3, guys. We are going to rock it. I think the last question was of the yesterday was this one. Cot 53 plus 10 to 23. Yeah. So we have finished it over here, guys. Cot 53 plus 23. So we will begin after this. However, I doubt that if I directly click here, will it begin from here? I doubt it. Oh, it began. Okay. So we have cracked it, guys. We have nailed it. This was the last question what we cracked. I hope it was clear to each and every one of you. I hope it was clear to each and every one of you, this previous one. Only in the denominators what I have done. Only in the denominators what I have done is I write down denominator as 1 upon. Cot is 1 upon 10 and 10 is 1 upon cot. Just by doing this, good evening Shrivani, just by doing this, this question got cracked. Just by doing this, guys, this question got cracked. The numerator got cancelled out. The numerator got cancelled out, taking the LCM. Cot 53 plus 23 upon cot 53 23. And this becomes the ultimate answer. Cot 53 23 becomes the ultimate answer. Cot 53 23 becomes the ultimate answer. But since there was no such option, so we applied the complementary relation as well. But since there was no such relation, we applied the complementary as well. Complementary of cot is 10. Complementary of 53 is 37. So that it becomes 90. Complementary of cot is 10 is cot. 23 might be 67. Best. So we are not beginning any different topic. Only we are going to do the questions over the identities today. And will bring some more complex or maybe tricky problems in the last of the session. So today as well, guys, we are going to be sticking to identities as well. Today also we are going to stick to the identities as well. Good evening, Harika. Very good evening. So just a quick revision. Just a quick revision of identities. 3 identities are there. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Another is sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Another is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Huge number of problems based on the identities comes in the examination. Hello Charlie, good evening. Huge number of problems based on identities comes in the examinations. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Break it as sec theta minus tan theta and sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta plus tan theta. So what you got to know from here, guys, is sec theta minus tan theta and sec theta plus tan theta are inverse of each other. If I take this in the denominator, then sec theta minus tan theta and sec theta plus tan theta are inverse of each other. This is such a huge point. This is such a huge point. We are going to use it a lot. This is such a huge point. We are going to use it a lot. Similarly here as well. Cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So these two are like inverse of each other. You will say, sir, cosec theta minus cot theta is the inverse of cosec theta plus cot theta. Huge important, guys. So very, very, very important. Lot of problems based on these comes in the exams directly. Lot of problems based on this comes in the examination directly. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, perfect. Okay, huge problems based on these comes in the examination directly. Let's try to do lot of problems. Some moderate, some tricky, some easy, but all beautiful. Some easy, some moderate, some tricky, but all amazing. Come on, guys, please do the sharings part as well. Please do the sharings as well. Good evening. Good evening, Vinod, Shrivani. Sec theta plus tan theta can be written as 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta can be written as 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. So, basically what I'm doing, my dear, is I'm writing this as 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. So, problem got simplified. Problem is over. Problem is over. What is this? Cos theta over 1 plus sin theta. Now, sec theta minus tan theta ka whole square. Sec theta minus tan theta ka whole square under root will cancel out each other. So, sec theta minus tan theta upon cos theta over 1 plus sin theta. Cos theta over 1 plus sin theta. Convert sec and tan into sin and cos. 1 upon cos, sin upon cos. So 1 minus cos over sin. Sorry. 1 minus sin over cos. 1 minus sin over cos. Because it is 1 upon cos, it is sin upon cos. So 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta into cos theta over 1 plus sin theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta is 1 minus sin square theta, which is cos square theta. Cos square theta over cos square theta is 1. Answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Perfect. Perfect. Next, we will do a little bit later on. Otherwise, it will become lot of theory same time. Otherwise, it will become lot of theory at the same time. Just we will finish off this type 4 to 5 problems, whatever I consider the most important, and then we will bring out these as well. Just finish off, guys, whatever are the 4 to 5 most important problems asked till now over this. Then we will do the third identity used as well. Then we will make use of the third identity as well. Which is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. If cosec theta minus cot theta is given as 4, directly you can write cosec theta plus cot theta is 1 by 4. Because they are inverse of each other. So directly write cosec theta plus cot theta is 1 by 4. Adding both the equations, 2 cosec theta is 4 plus 1 by 4. 2 cosec theta is 17 by 4. Cosec theta is 17 by 8. Or you can say sin theta is 8 by 17. Or you can say sin theta is 8 by 17. What you can say, guys? Sin theta is 8 by 17. Sin theta is 8 by 17. Sine is perpendicular. 17 is hypotenuse. Base is 15. I told you the triplet in the first class. I taught you the triplet in the first class. 8, 15, 17. What is 2 cos theta? Cos theta is 15 by 17. Tan theta is 8 by 15. Minus 1. Minus 1. Just simplify and get to the answers, my dear. 30 by 17 plus 8 by 15 minus 1. Okay, the LCM of 17 and 15. The LCM of 17 and 15 is 15, 15 ja 225 and 30 extra. It is 15 plus 2, na? It is 15 plus 2. 15, 15 ja 225 and 30 extra, 255. Only at one place 255 is there, so that is your answer. Only at one place 255 is there, so that is your answer. Only at one place 255 is there, so that is your answer. If you don't solve as, no issues, okay? Otherwise, if you want to do, some of you might be thinking, sir, what if this gets simplified? Even if this gets simplified, it will reduce to its factors. What are its factors? Dividing by 2, no. Dividing by 3 is 85, not available. It will not increase, na? It will only decrease. Even if it gets simplified, it will not decrease, it will not increase, it will only decrease, na? And decrease to its one of its factor. There is no, it is increasing, so gone, and this is not a factor, so gone. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's move on and do some more questions. This is looking pretty easy. This is looking pretty easy. This is looking pretty easy, my dear. Cosec theta. Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So, the numerator should be the largest. The numerator should be the largest. 1 upon p square is the largest. It is in the denominator. 1 upon p square is the largest. It is in the denominator. 1 plus p square is in the numerator is the answer. Yellow. Have done nothing. Have done nothing. Just make use of this point that cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So the biggest side should be in the numerator because hypotenuse is in the numerator. So the biggest side out of 2p, 1 minus p square, 1 plus p square, the biggest side is 1 plus p square. It should be in the numerator only in one option. Some of you might ask me, sir, why? Because this 2p, 1 minus p square and 1 plus p square is also a triplet. 2p, 1 minus p square, 1 plus p square is also a triplet, where 1 plus p square is the hypotenuse. If they are asking you the cosec, hypotenuse is in the numerator. Here it is in the denominator, gone. Here it is in the denominator, gone. Here it is in the numerator, answer. The complete is sec minus 10p, sec plus 10, 1 by p. Adding both 2 sec is p plus 1 by p. 2 sec is p square plus 1 by p. Sec theta is p square plus 1 by 2p. So cos theta is 2p by 1 plus p square. Now cos means base is 2p, hypotenuse is 1 plus p square. So perpendicular is 1 minus p square. So perpendicular is 1 minus p square because 1 minus p square, 2p and 1 plus p square is a triplet. They are asking cosec 1 plus p square upon 1 minus p square. Is it 100% clear? Is it 100% clear? Next. So all the questions which are possible, we will do it by today, and we will study or begin the sum standard results as well. And we will begin the sum standard results session as well today only. We will begin it today only. Sec 10. Sec 10. You know the identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Sec is 4x, 4x का square. Tan is 4 by x का square. is 1. 16x square minus 16 by x square is 1. Take 16 common. X square minus 1 upon x square is 1. So x square minus 1 upon x square is 1 by 16. X square minus 1 upon x square is 1 by 16. So it is 8 into 1 by 16, 1 by 2, my dear. Very, very famous. Very, very famous. Very, very famous. Identities based questions. Identities based question, guys. What waste? Identities waste questions. Let's move on. Okay, I am getting the answers. Identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Cosec is given as 5 by x. 5 by x ka square minus 5x ka square is 1. 25 by x square minus 25x square is equal to 1. 25 common. 1 upon x square minus x square is 1. So, make it in the x square minus 1 upon x square form. Take minus common. Take minus common. Make it in the form of x square minus 1 upon x square. Take minus common. So, x square minus 1 upon x square is minus 1 by 25. X square minus 1 upon x square is minus 1 by 25. 5 into minus 1 by 25. Minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 upon 5 is the answer, not 1 upon 5. Minus 1 upon 5 is the answer, not 1 upon 5. So this is how the questions based on identities comes. This is how the questions based on identities comes. I think you can tackle them very well. You can tackle them really very well, guys. Okay, let's see more. Every question is SSC CGL asked. Each and every question is asked CGL, CHSL sometime, somewhere, someday. Well done, Tushavar. Every question is asked sometime, someday, somewhere in CGL, CHSL, CPO. Sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So definitely the denominator should be the largest. Definitely the denominator should be the largest. 1 plus x square is the largest side. Gone. 1 plus x square is the largest side. Gone. Guys, after 1 second only, 50-50. Just in 1 second, we arrived at a situation of 50-50. Because sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. The denominator should be the largest side. The largest is 1 plus x square. The largest is 1 plus x square. The largest is 1 plus x square only in option number A and only in option number C. Now, this or this. Either if you are lack of time, go for 50-50. Either in the lack of time, go for 50-50 or solve it completely. This is looking symmetric. A square minus B square, A square plus B square, go for it. 5% risk is there. 5%, only 5%. However, I will eliminate that risk as well. No, I cannot eliminate as of now, beta. As of now, I can't eliminate. But to eliminate that risk, it is going cosec theta plus cot theta is given as x minus 1, x plus 1. So cosec theta minus cot theta will become x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Adding 2 cosec theta is x minus 1, x plus 1. Adding both x plus 1, x minus 1. Now, after this step, guys, it is very clear to you that it is in the form of x square minus 1 square only, not in the form of 1 minus x square. After this step, guys, it is very clear to you that it will become in the form of x square minus 1 only. So, x square minus 1 upon x minus 1 का whole square plus x plus 1 का whole square. Okay, whatever comes in the denominator of cosec becomes the numerator of sine. The denominator of cosec is the numerator of sine. You have a confusion about x square minus 1 or 1 minus x square. So x square minus 1 is the ultimate answer. Whatever is the denominator of cosec is the numerator of sine. However, a plus b का whole square, a minus b का whole square is 2 times of a square plus b square. So sine is inverse of it. Sine is inverse of it, ultimate answer. So we have solved the question in the starting few minutes only. We have cracked the question, guys, in the starting few minutes only. In the starting 5 to 10 seconds only, guys, we cracked the problem. Just by taking care of this. That the denominator should be the longest side. Denominator should be the longest side. Well done. Let's move on. I think now we need to read this property. I think we need to now read this property between sine and cos. If a sine theta plus b cos theta is c, interchange the coefficients. B sine theta, A cos theta, interchange the sign between them is D. Then sum of squares of coefficient A square plus B square is equal to C square plus D square. Then sum of squares of coefficient A square plus B square is equal to C square plus D square. What is the proof of it? Very simple. What is the proof of it, guys? Very simple. Squaring both equations and adding. A square sine. Are you interested? Okay. Otherwise, I am wasting my energy. Yeah. So, A square plus B square. Let's leave it, guys. Just write the hint. Just write the hint. Squaring and adding. Just write the hint that squaring and adding. Squaring and adding is the hint for this proof, guys. Squaring and adding is the hint for this proof. You can do it by yourself at your home, at your comfort. at your home, at your comfort. Okay. So I think I left a question based on this. Let's finish it off that first, then move on. I left a question based over this initially. Just do it and then move on. The same case. 4 sin x plus 5 cos x is given as A. Change of coefficient, guys, 5 sin x. Change of the midway sign is B. So 4 square plus 5 square is A square plus B square. 41 is A square plus B square. By knowing this property, this problem becomes much easier. If you do it live in the examination hall, you have to struggle. By knowing this property, guys, it becomes much easier problem. Much easier problem. Okay. Let's show its more applications. So 3 things we have learned so far, and we are continuously learning, guys. We are continuously learning. And I will deliver one more thing, guys, today. So this session is also going to play a very important role in your preparation, because in the last of the session also, I'm going to deliver something. Guys, is it that situation which I told? Guys, is it the situation which I just told you? Change of coefficient, change of the sign between them. Is it the same situation? Exactly. Is it the same situation? Exactly. You will say, yes, all coefficients are 1, 1. So we can consider them as a change of coefficients and change of sign. Yes. This is the same situation, my dear. We can consider it as change of coefficients and change of sign between them. Change of coefficients and change of sign between them. Now, with this knowledge, this problem will become absolutely easy. With this knowledge, this problem will become absolutely easy. 1 square plus 1 square is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 का whole square plus t square. 2. This is a square 3 plus b square plus 2ab. 4 by 2 is 2. And 2 root 3 by 2 is root 3. This is 4, bacha. 4 by 4 is 1. And this is root 3 by 2. So from root 3 plus 1 divide by complete 2, it has now reduced to 1 plus root 3 by 2. Take this 2 over here. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus root 3 by 2 is equal to d square. 2 minus root 3 by 2 is equal to d square. So d is root of 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. Root of 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. Root of 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Very, very good. Very, very good. Quality, guys. Gem. Gem. All important questions, all tricky questions at a single place. All important, all tricky problems at a single place. Let's move on. Wow. Wow. Yesterday, I think Shrivani, you got the 5 marks, na? Yesterday, Shrivani, you got the 5 marks, na? And Harika was at 2-3. So the first round, Charlie easily won. Now the second round, the probability of winning by Shrivani and Harika is more. Common sense. Cosec is 1 upon sine. This is cos upon sine. So 1 minus cos over sine. Here it is 1 plus cos over sine. So sine getting cancelled out. Can I say same thing multiplied twice? Dear, can I say same thing multiplied twice? 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos multiplied by 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos. Same thing multiplied twice. It will become a square, will cancel out the root. It will become a square and will cancel out the root. So ultimately it will only become 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos, which is equal to 1 minus r over 1 plus r. R is cos theta. Please do watch out. Please do watch out. Very, very well made question. Again a CGL problem. Again a CGL problem. Whatever the questions, guys, I've taken through the past 3 days, each and every question is handpicked by me from CGL, CHSL, CPO papers. From CGL, CPO, CHSL papers. Perfect. You will simplify this and it will become again 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Same thing, guys. Same thing. In the square will cancel out the root 2, na? Will cancel out the root. Will cancel out the root. Problem over. Let's move on. Interchange of coefficients. Interchange of coefficients, change of sign, m square plus n square is equal to 1 square plus 4 square. M square plus n square is 17. So what is 15 times of m square plus n square? It is 15 into 17. This multiplication we have done today as well. This multiplication we have done today as well. 15 into 15 is 225 plus 30 is 255. Even guys, the unit digit of 5, even the unit digit of 5, and obviously greater than 200, only one possibility is there. Only one possibility is there. This is the homework for you. If you can answer it without pen, just answer it. If you can answer it without pen, just answer it. Without pen, no pen allowed. No pen allowed, guys. Based on the observation method which I told you. Based on the observation method which I told you. Cos theta is based upon hypotenuse. X square plus y square is the largest side. It has to be in the denominator. Either this or this. Either this or this. Now, x square plus y square will make the triplet with 2xy. Will make the triplet with 2xy. See, as you know that 2p, 1 minus p square and 1 plus p square was a triplet. 2p, 1 minus p square and 1 plus p square is a triplet. So here x was 1. So if I take x as anything else and p as y, 2xy, x square minus y square, and x square plus y square is also a triplet. So x square plus y square will act as a hypotenuse. So obviously the perpendicular would be 2xy only. Perfect. Cross check it. Cross check it. Cross check it, guys. Cross check it. These are triplets. Yeah, triplets. So now you can do such problems orally, guys. Now you can do such problems orally. Not always, but most of the times. Not always, guys, but most of the times. 99% of the times, guys, you can do them orally. Let's finish it off. I will take 10 minutes more. Make the next heading as some standard, some important results. Sin theta from NCRTs, from R.D. Sharma. From R.D. Sharma, guys, sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta is 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Similarly, cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta is same 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Is same 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Now, if I divide them, guys, obviously I will get the 10. Obviously, I will get the 10. So, tan theta, tan 60 minus theta, tan 60 plus theta. 1 by 4 will get cancelled out. 1 by 4 will get cancelled out. Only tan 3 theta. Only tan 3 theta. Some standard results, some important results. Some important results, some standard results. Ultimately, beautiful results, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Next, we will do 3 questions over it and our day is complete. We will do 3 to 4 questions over it and our day is complete. I think before this, I should have told the formula. I should have taken the formula class of sine 2 theta, sine 3 theta, cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 2 theta, tan 3 theta. But no issues. I bring it on. I bring it on. Theta. 60 plus theta. 60 minus theta is missing. Theta. 60 plus theta. 60 minus theta. 60 minus 6. 54 is missing. Multiply and divide by 10, 54. Multiply and divide by 10, 54. Theta. 60 plus theta. 60 minus theta. Theta. 60 plus theta. 60 minus theta is tan 3 theta. Is tan 3 theta. Theta is 6 degree. Tan 42. Tan 78 upon tan 54. Tan 54. Tan 18. Tan 42. Tan 78. Theta 18. 60 minus theta 42. 60 plus 18, 78. Again, theta 60 minus theta 60 plus theta. Theta 60 minus theta 60 plus theta is equal to tan 3 theta. Tan 54 divided by tan 54. Great one. Great one. Standard results directly from NCRTs. Okay. Standard results directly from R.D. Sharma, guys. R.D. Sharma, class 11th. One or two more over this. Then we will call it a day. Then we will call it as a day. Oh. Theta 60 minus theta. Theta 60 minus theta. 60 plus theta is missing. 60 plus 12, 72. Multiply, divide by 72. Multiply, divide by 72. Theta 60 minus theta, 60 plus theta is 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. Can I write directly 36? It will save a step. Otherwise, I get bored by writing same thing again and again. 3 into 12 is 36. 3 into 12 is 36. Sine 54 divided by sine 72. Some of you might be wondering, sir, what after it? You know, na, I told you a point. I told you a point that I should have taught the formula of sine 2 theta. This is the reason why I told you. Because here sine 2 theta is used. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So 72 is double of 36. So I will say sine 72 is 2 sine 36 cos 36. Now you got it why I told this point? Yeah. So it is about 1 by 4 sine 36 sine 54. It's 2 sine 36 cos 36. Second class complementary. Second class complementary. Have you forget? Sine 54 cos 36 are complementary to each other. Sine 54 cos 36 are complementary to each other. Sine and cos, if a sum is 90 degree, they are complementary to each other. Sine and cos, if angles are complementary, they are like complementary to each other. So if they are complementary, they will also cut each other. लिख लेना bracket में complementary. Complementary. Just for the revision, write it as complementary. Answer is 1 upon. Perfect. Beautiful questions. Great questions. Amazing ones. Just make the good notes of them, guys. Never ever you need to study to like geometry again. Just make the great notes. Just make the great notes. In maybe 5 sessions, if I will definitely take 80 questions. Those are more than sufficient. This is the homework for you. Now take some big homeworks. Take some big homeworks because what will happen is so that we can finish it off trigonometry in 5 classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Oh. Chalo. Okay, then we will begin after it. We will begin after it. Otherwise, I will need to teach you something else. In tomorrow's session, guys, what is on our radar? In tomorrow's session, guys, what is in the radar? In the tomorrow's session, the formulas. The formulas. What formulas? A plus B formulas, 2 theta formulas, 3 theta formulas. So if you can read before, guys, before coming to the class, it would be of great help. It would be of great help to you as well as to me. So all the formulas of A plus B, like sin A plus B, cos A plus B, tan A plus B, huge important things, okay? These kind of things, their formulas, 2 theta, sin 2 theta, tan 2 theta, like these kind of formulas, sin theta, cos theta, all the problems based over this is going to be tackled in the tomorrow's session. All the problems based over these is going to be tackled in tomorrow's session. Till then, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. And please don't forget to be the regular user of Exampur app as well. Don't forget to be a regular user of Exampur app as well. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. If you like the session, do not forget to press the like button. If you like the session, guys, do not forget to press the like button, guys. That is only what we expect. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you.